Hello, Min. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Thank
Yes, how are you today, Min?
and fine.
Very good. Okay, so anyway, today we are now in Unit 20. It's all about where. Okay, so if somebody would ask us where, we're going to answer it with a place. For example, where do you study? You study in school, right? Where do you go to play soccer? You go to the soccer field. Okay, where do you eat dinner?
It's at home.
At home. Very good. So at home, soccer field, and school are all places. So when somebody would ask us where, then we answer it with a place. All right?
All right.
Great. Now let's look and learn the words. Listen and repeat.
Shop. Supermarket. Live.
Very good. Now, when we go to a shop, we can buy anything. We could buy a bread, some shoes, notebooks, some food, or different. It depends. If it's a bake shop, we buy bread. If it's a shoe shop, we buy shoes. If it's a toy shop, what do we buy? We buy toys, right?
Correct.
Okay. So what is your favorite shop?
Wow.
What is your favorite shop mean?
His car.
Okay, car shop. Very good. So what can you buy or what can you do in the car shop? I can. What can you do in the car shop? Okay. You can buy a car or you can let them fix your car. That's a car shop. Okay, and we have here a supermarket. A supermarket is a place where we can buy fruits, vegetables, and other food, right? Some meat. We can buy it in the supermarket. Do you like going to the supermarket?
Yes.
Wow, what
I
do
did.
you buy there? What do you buy at the supermarket? You buy food, right?
Gift.
Yes, a gift. That's very good, mean. Okay, what's your favorite? Uh-huh. What's your favorite gift, mean? Do you like ball? Do you like a car? Do you like a robot? What gift do you like?
Robot.
Wow, that's great. Okay, and we have a lift. Okay, so if there are 20 floors in the building, we have to take the stairs. But climbing up the stairs makes us tired. Oh, I'm so tired. So instead, we use the lift. We enter, we stand, and ta-da! We are now in the 20th floor. And you don't have to climb. That's what a lift is. It is what we call, you say, elevator. Say elevator. Okay, say elevator.
Elevator.
Very good. Okay, now listen and repeat. Car park.
Car park.
Parts. Seas.
Mm,
River.
very good. Okay, now a car park is a place where we can park our car. Okay, so if your mom will go to your school and your mom's driving your car, then your mom cannot park on the street because she would be given a ticket for a wrong parking. Okay, instead, your mom would go to a car park. Oh, I can park here for free. Or sometimes we pay at the car park. And it depends on how many hours are we going to park there. So this is a car park. You can put your car in there and it is safe. And we have a sea. A sea has a salt water. We can swim in here. Okay, and there is also an island in the sea. Some sea have an island and some do not. Okay, and we have, what's this? What's up? What's this mean? It's a river, right? It's a river. Okay, a river is a long body of water. This is the longest water in the world. A river or falls are long body of water. Okay, now listen and repeat. Cinema.
Cinema. Mountain.
Animal. Mountain.
Lake.
Lake.
Great. Okay, now at the cinema, we can watch our favorite show or movie. Okay, do you like watching movie?
Yes.
Nice. And in the cinema, we can eat a popcorn and drink some juice. Okay, now look, we can see a mountain. A mountain is the highest form of land, just like the Mount Everest. Okay, do you like climbing out the mountain?
No.
Very good. And we have here a lake. Okay, a lake is a water surrounded by land. Okay, and this is where some of the fish live. Okay, now look, listen, and repeat. Funfair. Funfair. Funfair.
Funfair.
Afraid.
Funfair.
Rug.
Afraid. Road.
Okay, one more. Afraid.
Afraid. Rough.
Very good. Great. Now look at the fun fair. We can have fun in here by riding the carousel, the Ferris wheel, hot air balloon, roller coaster, and other things. Okay, do you like going in the fun fair? Do you like going to the fun fair? Yes or no? Do you like going to the fun fair?
Yes.
Wow, nice. Okay, now look at the girl. She's afraid of the spider. Incy Wincy Spider. Okay, now when we are afraid, that means we are scared. Okay, are you scared? Are you afraid of spider? Yes or no? Look, Min, what's this?
A spider.
That's right. Are you afraid of the spider? Spider! Are you afraid? Yes or no? Are you afraid, Min? Yes or no?
No.
All right. Okay, and we have a rug. A rug is something what we use to put it on the floor. Just in case that something's wet, we can wipe it. Okay, now listen and repeat. Thirsty.
Thirsty. Thirsty.
30.
Thirsty.
30.
Very good. So when we are thirsty, we drink something. I'm very thirsty. I need water. Like that. Okay. And we have here
Frightened.
frightened. One more, frightened.
Frightened.
Very good. When you are frightened, you are surprised or scared. Like that. Okay. And we have here silly.
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 Very good. Silly means you are behaving badly. Okay, or crazily. Now, look at this one, Min. Write the words under the pictures. There is one example. What's this?
Afraid out.
What's this?
It's up.
Nice. What's this? It's
A cinema.
nice. What's this?
A hospital.
Very good. What's this?
A supermarket.
Very good. How about this one? What's this?
A stair.
Okay, it's a market. What's this? It's
A stair.
that's a shopping center or a shop. What's this?
Like
Car park. Okay.
papa.
Now what about this one? What's this?
A beach.
Okay, it's a farm. How about this one?
Mm.
We swim in here. And it is surrounded with a land. What is that?
A river.
A lake. What about this one? A
A river.
long body. Very good. And lastly, we have
Shear.
a sea. Well done. Now, how about number 4? What is this? It's a beach. How about
Beach.
this one? Still a beach. What about
A beach.
this?
A beach.
Great job. How about this one?
A stair.
Okay, a fun fair. One more, a fun fair.
A fun fair.
Nice. Look, where do they ski? They ski in a mountain. How about them? Where are they? They are going the stairs. Okay, look. What's this? A lift. What about this one? Where are they? They are
They are
they are in the mountain. Okay. Now look and read.
in speaking poetry any reason for saying why one of the pictures is different at the table. You just have to say why to choose that picture.
Very good. I want you to say acceptable.
Vegetable.
Toes.
Toes.
Very good. Now look, which is different and why? This is an example. A hospital is different because a playground, a shop, and a cinema is something where we have fun. And in the hospital, we don't have fun because we're sick. Now, look and read this one. This is an example. Oh, the playground.
Right now is different because it's outside. The shop, the cinema, and the hospital aren't outside. They are inside.
Yes. So any choices is all right as long as you can tell me why is it different. Okay?
Who cares?
Very good. Now your turn. Which picture is different and why?
Mm. Oh, car park. Because
Why?
because market itself is
You can do it.
mm,
What do we do in the supermarket, market and shop? We sell? Do we buy? Do we study? Do we play? What do we do?
buster.
All right. Okay, because we buy here. Now, what about this one? Which one is different and why?
A farm is different because a lake, a river, a sea is a weather.
It has water. Very good. Okay, now what about this one? Which is different and why?
A fun fact. Because a bridge
Oh, because they are all at the beach. And and in the fun fair, and in the fun fair, it is a fun fair, right? Okay, what about this one? Which is different and why?
because it has a sense.
That's right. It has a scent. Very good. Okay. What about the number 5?
A mountain, a leaf, a stair is different because a leaf is a tall, and the stair is a short.
All right. Yes, it is short. Very good. That's also correct. So for this one, Mean, I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Well done. Give me a high five, Mean.
Answer.
Nice. Great. It's good to know that you are thinking logically. All right. Now, what are you going to do? You're going to
Read the story. Choose tells a wolf found the box while the chorus was next to the number 1, 5.
very good. So look at the story, read it, and choose your answers from above. Okay, now there is one example. Now let's look and read. Fred and Grace.
Fred and Grace live in town county, but on sunny day, there's something go for berries in the countryside. Last Saturday, they wrote a little loud in temper, a bell on the rocks next to the water there. Beetles said they treated a small inside come on dogs his shoulder, but the dogs didn't come because they were a doctor of the news.
Afraid of the noise.
Don't worry about the listener first. Grace says, let's sit down on our roof. It's got some apple juice in my bag to the ring. Do you want some? She asked. Yes, I'm really thirsty, very and wait. Let's eat a F L T. A sunny. Now too. Gray took the fruits out of the pack. Look, the size, though the golden brighter. Now they can picnic. Let's eat the a gift. They some on a bread with
Very good.
idiom. Shepherds come on slowly. Duck they food to eat here. I love animal race loud. I want to be a doctor one day, but I like to hate sick animal. Get better more than people, I think.
Very good. Thank you so much for reading this one, Min. So you've got 1, okay, 2, and 3. So that is 3 out of 5. A good score still. So I'm going to give you 3 stars. Very good, Min. Okay, so Min, there are some words that you mispronounce while you were reading. So I want you to look at them again, listen, and repeat after me, okay? Say countryside, countryside.
Countryside.
Very good. Road. All right. Now, 3 dogs.
3 dogs.
Island. Island.
Let.
Shouted.
Sounded.
Noise.
Noise.
Bread.
Bread.
Answered.
Endless.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Okay, last one. Frightened. Frightened. Oh, last one. Frightened.
Frightened.
Very good. Thank you so much for that one. Min, are you ready to count your stars? Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. So you've got 8 stars tonight. Do you have any question?
No question.
Okay. So thank you so much for joining our class, Min. I hope you learned something. Bye bye, Min.
Bye.